Everyone is talking about AI agents. A few months ago, everyone was talking about generative AI. Now, people are saying agentic AI is the future. If you open LinkedIn or X, you'll see these three terms used almost interchangeably. But they're not the same. They're three different layers of modern AI systems. And if you're a software developer, understanding this difference is becoming increasingly important. By the end of this video, you'll clearly understand what generative AI, agentic AI, and AI agents are, and why this distinction matters. Let's start with a simple analogy. Imagine a self-driving car. It needs an engine, it needs intelligence to decide where to go, and it needs the actual vehicle that drives on the road. The AI world works in a very similar way. Generative AI is the brain that creates content. Agentic AI is the ability to reason and plan. AI agents are complete software systems that use both to perform real work. Let's begin with generative AI. Generative AI creates content. You provide a prompt, and it generates an answer. Ask ChatGPT to explain Kubernetes. Ask Claude to write Python code. Ask Midjourney to generate an image. Or ask Sora to generate a video. The workflow is simple. Prompt, generate, done. Generative AI can write code, summarize documents, translate languages, generate images, and much more. But here's its biggest limitation. It doesn't actually perform the task. Imagine asking ChatGPT, deploy my application to production. It can generate the deployment commands and explain the process, but it won't connect to your server, execute the commands, or verify that the deployment succeeded. Its job ends after generating the response. This is where agentic AI comes in. Agentic AI focuses on achieving a goal instead of simply generating content. Instead of asking, what should I write? The system asks, what needs to be accomplished? Then it creates a plan, executes each step, evaluates the results, and adapts if something fails. Think about debugging a production issue. You check logs, review metrics, investigate recent deployments, form a hypothesis, and verify it before finding the root cause. Agentic AI follows a very similar process. Instead of simply answering questions, it works toward completing an objective. The important thing to understand is that agentic AI is not a product, it's a capability. It's an approach for building intelligent systems that can reason and work toward a goal. So where do AI agents fit into all of this? An AI agent is the actual software system that implements agentic AI. Think of it like this. Generative AI is the brain. Agentic AI is the thinking process. The AI agent is the worker. An AI agent combines a language model with memory, planning, decision-making, and external tools. Instead of simply answering your question, it performs the work. Let's look at a real example. Suppose you're building an AI coding assistant. A traditional generative AI model can explain the bug or generate a code snippet. An AI agent goes much further. It reads your repository, searches the codebase, runs tests, identifies the problem, applies a fix, verifies the solution, and even creates a pull request. The language model generates text. The agent completes the workflow. Here's another example. Suppose your manager asks, prepare this week's sales report. Generative AI can generate a report template. An AI agent can retrieve the latest sales data, analyze the numbers, generate charts, write the summary, and email the completed report automatically. That's why AI agents are becoming so popular. We're moving from AI that answers questions to AI that completes tasks. So let's compare all three. Generative AI creates content. Agentic AI provides the reasoning and planning needed to achieve a goal. AI agents combine language models, planning, memory, and external tools into complete systems that execute real work. A simple way to remember this is, generative AI answers. Agentic AI thinks. AI agents act. Will AI agents replace software engineers? Not anytime soon. Developers are still needed to design architecture, build secure systems, integrate services, monitor production, and maintain software. What is changing is the kind of work developers do. Instead of manually handling repetitive tasks, developers will increasingly build and supervise AI-powered systems that perform those tasks automatically. So let's quickly recap. Generative AI creates content from a prompt.
Agentic AI plans and reasons to achieve a goal. AI agents combine language models, memory, planning, and tools to execute real-world tasks. If you remember just one thing from this video, remember this. Generative AI creates. Agentic AI decides. AI agents execute.